Hi, Catherine Cavella from IP Works Law. So how do you know if a patent or a trademark is worth investing in? How do you know if a business is worth investing in? Your business, starting a business. So this is a question. A lot of times people will come to an IP attorney when they're thinking, they have an idea for a business, and they will be looking for the IP attorney to tell them whether they should go forward with the business or not. Or go forward with the product or not. And so this is something I want to really make sure is clear, that I really do not recommend doing that. If you go to an IP attorney for legal advice, is it worth, can I get a patent on this? Do you think, what are my chances of getting this registered? Does this look like a strong trademark? These are, legally, is it a strong trademark? These are legal questions. But don't expect an attorney, no matter even the best attorney, to be able to actually understand and see your vision when you first lay it out. So, and then be able to have a crystal ball and know whether it's worth investing in. The answer to the question of is it worth investing in has only to do with you and with your life and your business and what you are looking to achieve. So a lawyer can tell you, that trademark is not registrable because it just doesn't distinguish your goods, so for legal reasons it's not going to serve you very well. But only you know if it does serve you well, how much that's worth. And so I really encourage you, when deciding whether to move forward with a business, with launching a product or adopting a brand, to recognize where the lawyer's expertise ends and your vision and your control over your own future begins. Okay, so one thing you can do is to think about in a year from now, how will you feel if you see someone else register that trademark or get a patent on that invention? How will that feel, and what will that do to your bottom line? With trademarks, this can be very useful. If you think about, I'm launching this line of products under this brand, and so you should have some idea, probably, of what that line of products is worth in terms of dollars. So you can really take a look financially and see if I can keep competitors away and not have my customers getting confused. What is that worth in protecting this product line and in making sure that your marketing dollars are going where they're needing to go? So think about that, your future self. Are you going to regret in a year looking back saying, I wish I had acted sooner? The reason this is important to do this gut check exercise at the beginning is because you cannot buy the time back. And both trademarks and patents and copyrights also, they're very time sensitive. Priority is everything. It's first come, first served. So you need to think about, in the future, am I going to regret not moving on this now? And the way, that I think of to do that is to ask yourself, what are you expecting it to deliver? What do you need it to deliver? And what will be the consequences to your life and your business if you do not have it or if it doesn't deliver those benefits? That's how you'll know if it's worth investing in. And then you can, ask the lawyer, is this a trademark that you think is legally strong, or do you think it's registrable, or do you think this patent has a good chance of getting broad claims granted? Those are questions that your patent attorney or your trademark attorney can answer. Don't ask them if it's worth, you can ask them, but don't take their advice if they say something is not worth investing in. I have heard stories of people that will say, I had an invention for a toy and I went to a patent lawyer and they told me it wasn't worth doing, so I just let it go. And then I saw it came out, on the shelf, and I was pretty mad at that patent attorney, but how is the patent attorney supposed to know what's the vision in your head? You're the one that knows what your vision is and what you believe that this can do. That is something only you can answer. So I hope that's helpful. Catherine Cavella, IP Works Law. Thanks again. Bye.